In this lesson, we will solve question number 22 of exercise 1.1 linear equations and inequalities. And question we have 2 into x minus 1 positive 6, which is equal to 4x plus 1 minus 2 into 4 plus x. So this is very easy question, right? This is our parenthesis, this is the parenthesis, and we have 2 in front of this parenthesis, and we have again negative 2 in front of this parenthesis. So one by one you have to multiply whatever you have inside the parenthesis with 2. Same thing we will do here. So 2 multiplied by x, which is equal to 2x negative 2 positive 6, which is equal to 4x will remains the same, positive 1 will remains the same. See, this is negative 2. As I have told you before, if you have a negative sign, then all the sign inside the parenthesis will change. So it is negative 2, and this is positive. If there is no sign, it means it is positive. 4 2 times 8, but it is negative 8 and negative 2x. So this 2x will remains the same on the left hand side. We do not have any variable here. So here we have this x, we have this. We will take the transpose, bring this to the left hand side. The sign will change. It will be negative 4x. This is negative 2x, so it will be positive 2x. What we have left on the right hand side, this is positive 1, we have negative 8, these two constants, but here we have two constant as well. Take the transpose, it will be positive 2 and it is negative 6. So this is positive 2x, this is positive 2x, it is positive 4x, this is negative 4x, which is equal to, this is positive positive, so it will be positive 3, and this one is 14, negative 14. So this will cancel, it is 0, which is equal to negative 1, right? So we do not have any value of x. 0 is equal to, this is important here, there is no solution. It means this is non-linear. This is not linear equation, right? If it still is not clear, you can ask me, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.